where there is a will, there is a way. That is what one should always think about and work on it. The universe is with you. That's what I feel from my end. When we heard about autism, that word really was something very new to us. We were clueless about it. We didn't know what it was. Then as we slowly got to know about it, we came to know it is a neurosocial disorder which is for a lifetime with a person, and it can improve only with training. It came as a shocker when I came to know about it. But it was my husband who was quite cool about it, and he said probably we are chosen by God and he cannot come and stay with us, so he sent us an angel here to be with us. This was when my husband Rajendra started reading more about autism, and he set goals for Preksha. We started working on a monthly basis, setting each goal, one goal at a time, and then working on it. And we started achieving it one by one. And this is how our journey with autism started, which requires a lot of immense one-on-one training with the person who is on the disorder. She was completely unaware when she was a kid. She was not even knowing what her challenges were. So there was no way we could explain to her, though I think she would think about it but not able to express it. And now she understands her challenges and she is able to talk about it also.
I have run 3 TCS 10K tree, Bangalore 10K challenge tree, Ajmera Tums 1, 12.5 kilometers on, Art of Living, Pipeline Road. I want to run 3 mm now. I am training for half marathon at Janagar Jaguars.
Janagar Jaguars is a family to us, and here at Janagar Jaguars, she is the most loved one by everybody in the group. That's why she loves to come here and run with all of them here.
Preksha is joyful, and when I see her and Vani too, they're both, you automatically feel happy to see them, and then you want to greet them happily also because they're smiling, you have to smile at them. So it's an automatic response of happiness, you can't even help it.
I've been running with Preksha for 3 years now, and we have run many runs together. And knowing Preksha and her capacity to scan mentally, that mental scanning ability is so good that then we had an interesting episode that happened. She usually gets to know who has come for the run, who has not come for the run. It's her ability, mental ability. And if somebody is not there whom she knows, like if I haven't come, my name is Sudha, so Sudha has not come, she repeatedly says Sudha has not come, Sudha has not come. So that attendance is taken, and even if our coach doesn't notice, she makes sure that it comes to his notice, and it brings us into trouble. So always we tell her mother, oh my God, Preksha shouldn't come to know about this.
Through her, I have been learning a lot of things in my personal life, and I know many of my friends who have interacted with her would also endorse on this, because they live in their world, but they do come out of their comfort zone, and when they are doing so much, that inspires us to do like that. There are so many things which we would not have otherwise tried. She has tried on all those things which really inspire me. We should also walk out of our comfort zones, and many of the children who are on the autism spectrum will not so easily walk out of the comfort zone, but she has done it. I think I'm somewhere blessed to have a daughter like her. Even if being fit, I lost my husband. So at least till we are alive, I somehow feel, and she too feels, we have to work for the betterment of our health. Till we are alive, we have to be fit.